Hello, Paris.
Hello, Mommy.
Hello, Mommy.
Ayo. Daddy.
Ayun, Daddy. Where's Daddy? Where's Daddy, nak? Baba, where's Daddy?
There.
There. What is he doing?
He's talking baby.
Wait, wait.
It's time to go home, Mama.
Oh,
Okay.
is it time to go home? Okay.
Bye-bye, Dad.
Bye-bye, ducks. Bye-bye, turkey, mate.
Ah, this is great. Siya na yung nagsabi na it's time to go home. Hi guys, good afternoon. Welcome back to our channel. Happy Tuesday everyone. And it's currently 5:30 ng hapon. Nandito kami sa harapan ng Australia Post Business Hub Mount Waverly. Kasi si Daddy Mike may pipick upin siyang parcels. Nag-lunch break kami kanina, mga 1 o'clock. Tapos, nung nasa labas kami, naglakad-lakad kami. Dineliver pala ni Mamang Postman ang kanyang mga pinamili online. Tapos, wala kami sa bahay. Kaya yun, kailangan naming pick upin dito. And, thankfully, nag-close sila 6 o'clock. So, tamang-tama lang. Saya-saya niya, guys. Oh. For the shoes. Parang bata lang, oh. Excited. Merry Christmas, Daddy.
Thank you. I bought myself a present.
Oh, lovely. Have a look at his new shoes, guys. Oh.
You like?
From Nike. Parang kulay mermaid.
These are women's.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Did I look at the size?
I don't know. How much is it? $2.30.
Yeah, but I got it for $1.49.
Where's the other one, Daddy B? It's a cycling.
Yeah. But for me, it's just gonna wear this like underneath my shorts.
It's already thick, Daddy. Tingnan nyo ang kanya, ribbed. Ito yung tinatawag nila na ribbed material. Akala ko, I thought it's going to be like this, Daddy. Like shiny all over.
Yeah, so do I. But it's hard to tell. You can't tell in the picture, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Anyway, it's fine. It'll do. It's only for under.
Yeah.
I like the color. That's why.
Yeah.
Huh?
That will glow in the dark. No one will run you over while you're walking. So yun na yung mga napamili ni Daddy Mike, guys. And ngayon, it's now 5:35 and aalis na kami. Pupuntahan namin ang ating baby girl kasi naghihintay na yun siya doon, guys. You ready?
Yes.
Are you excited?
Yes. I'm very with Paris, my daughter, and see the
See you
ducks.
soon. You jump on the caterpillar. The very hungry caterpillar. Wow. Where's your water bottle, by the way, Anak?
Hey.
Where's your water
Hey,
bottle?
Mommy.
What is it?
It's caterpillar.
It's caterpillar. Yes, what's the color of the caterpillar, Anak?
That is so.
I love your hat, Paris.
It's so big.
Strawberry. What is this?
Plants.
Plums. Wait, they cleaned it already?
Sit down.
Wait, they cleaned it
Sit
already?
down, Daddy. Sit down, Mommy.
Sit down. Okay. Oh, I have to put it back high because they already cleaned enough.
No.
What is that? Which book is that?
It's a pink flower. It's a digger. What's it called for? I don't know. Ah, Betty. Digger.
Fox.
There's the fox and the mouse.
Gardenis. Kiss cup.
Hey, Paris.
Teeth.
Thief.
Do you want to go now and feed the duck?
Come on, let's go see the
Go
duck.
feed the ducks. Come on.
Come on.
Okay.
Put this one
Put
back.
it back. Good job, Anak. Go get your water bottle then, huh?
Let's go feed the ducks.
Water bottle, my love?
There.
Where? You already? That's yours. Yes.
Come on.
We'll go feed the ducks. Yay!
Come on, my dear.
Are you excited?
The turkey mate.
The
Yeah,
turkey
turkey
mate. Turkey mate, yes. We will.
You say we turkey mate. I say we turkey mate.
Turkey mate,
I
yes.
say we rainbow.
Come on, Daddy.
Nemo,
Daddy.
where's our car? Huh? You don't know? Oh no, let's go find our car.
Hi.
Huh?
Let's go find it.
Where's our car, honey?
Daddy.
Where? Where? Let's go hunt do 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 do. Let's go hunt do 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 do.
Daddy can see it. Can Paris see the car?
Point the car,
Oh!
Paris. Where is it? Where is it? There.
Guess
Go
what?
run to the car. Woohoo! And Paris, where are we going now? See the ducks.
Come on.
We're going to feed the ducks.
Yes.
Yes, this way, anak.
You had a very good day today.
Good girl.
Did you have fun at school? Paris?
Well done, Paris.
Did Paris have fun at school?
Where's the car? Hello. Hello, Paris.
Hello, mommy.
Hello, mommy. Ang ating baby ay hindi magpababa.
No.
Nandito pala kami sa Gels Park, guys.
Don't cry anymore, okay?
Nandito kami sa Gels Park, yung park na pinupuntahan namin before. Sobrang tagal na namin hindi nakapunta dito kasi 'di ba sa 5K restriction namin dito sa Victoria. Careful, Paris. Sa 5K restriction namin dito sa Victoria, hindi kami makakapunta dito kasi medyo malayo siya. It's around 25 minutes drive here ata. Mga ganyan, 20 to 25 minutes. Pagdating namin dito, guys, mag-mask tayo kasi maraming mga puti. Maraming mga tao. Sobrang daming sasakyan talaga doon, guys. Oh, nakapark. Sobrang daming tao dito sa park. Meron palang dala si Daddy Mike na ganito, guys. Oh, yung aming moistly. Ayan. Kasi hindi na namin to ginagamit. Sabi ni Daddy Mike, dalhin natin para ibigay sa mga ducks. Nak, are you going to feed the ducks?
Okay.
Okay. Do you want to hold this one to feed the ducks? Good job. Well done. Are you excited to feed the ducks?
You can tell Elwood. You can tell Elwood tomorrow. Elwood, Paris feed.
We probably can't go close. See, they've got the orange stuff. Paris ready to feed the ducks?
Up, mommy, up.
Feed the ducks here now. Go with Daddy, go. Go, Daddy. Look, can you hear the ducks? Wow, go. Go, go. Ayan yung lake, guys, oh. Wala, sobrang daming ano doon, oh. Birds. Hindi kami makapasok dyan, guys. Last time, dyan kami pumasok para closer talaga sa ducks. Allah. Hala, how can we feed the ducks, Nak? How can we feed the ducks? We can't go any closer.
There's so many.
There's so many. Buhok, gabi kagubot.
Mike,
There's so many.
I can put it in.
Yeah.
Let's put it in.
What is it, Nak?
Put it in. Mike,
Go, go, Daddy.
Papa, Dad.
Oh, what's that? Daddy, you're not gonna go in. Kawawa naman ang ating baby girl. Paano na yan ngayon? Oh, nagbit-bit na ng kanyang food for the ducks. Dadalhin na lang namin si Paris sa isa pang park sa weekend, guys. Pag walang work si Mommy at si Daddy. Careful, anak, ha? Wow.
Look, turkey.
What turkey, mate? Huh?
I'm sorry.
Scary? It's not scary?
Mommy! Up, Daddy! Up!
Hadlukan na bata. Hala, daddy, kus. Nakita niya yung pagkain.
Happy!
Let's see. Bye-bye. Uy, ay. Nak, tell her to go, Nak. Sabi ni Taris, go in the water. Daddy Mike, dito ka badlungon lagi na. He's saying, don't feed the ducks. If feed ang ducks, police will come, ah. Nak, go find me, Nak. Wala, ayaw, Nak. Oh, Daddy.
So go away, take it.
Sa weekend, Nak, ha. We'll go to South Melbourne. We can feed the turkeys there.
Have a look,
This
big ones.
one. Have a look, oh. There you go. There's lots of white birds. Lots of them. Huh? How do you call them, Bob? Huh? Broga. Bungol ka. Oh, lovely. Alam, dito ang turkey, oh. Anak. Ayaw, lagi na kay kasabaan ka sa police, Nak. Si Paris, oh.
This way is bucket.
Are you feeding the turkey, mate?
This way is on the butter, Daddy.
Yeah, Paris, give some more to the turkey.
Ala, sabaan din mo sa police. Tingnan nyo, guys, oh.
There's more.
Ala. Sobrang nakaka-relax dito ba? Mga kahoy lang. Ayan, pwede kang makapasok dyan. Ayan.
Look, there's another turkey.
Ooh. Shush, Paris.
Maybe I'll sit down.
You wanna come down?
Okay.
Okay. Just don't go to the water, okay?
Do you like it?
Just this way.
Just this way. Woo! Good job.
Give some to Daddy. Daddy, give some.
Nagtupar gid ang amahanog ang anak.
Daddy.
Oh, well, okay.
Are you having fun, Paris?
Are you? Daddy.
Ayun, Daddy. Where's Daddy? Where's Daddy, Nak? Baba, where's Daddy?
There.
There. What is he doing?
He's chocolate babies.
Wait. Si Daddy Mike, guys, nag-ihi dun sa gilid. Okay. Walang masyadong tao na dito, guys, kasi parang nakasuok na may ba. Kaya ayan siya, oh. Whew.
Paris, look, the baby turkey.
Labog kayo, Nak.
Baby turkey.
Abog kayo.
Okay.
Boom!
Hey, go, baby.
Go eat, baby.
Eat, baby. It's time lunch.
Eat your lunch.
Eat lunch, baby.
Eat your lunch.
Bye-bye.
Careful, ha? Don't go near the water.
No, Dan. That's right.
Nah. There's lots of babies, Nak, ba? Do you like the turkey, mates, Nak?
It's a baby talking me.
Good
There's a
job.
baby.
Where's the baby?
There.
Oh, there. There's the baby. Mm. Sige, mintas mo pa yung police.
Yes.
Yes. Good job, Paris. Yes. Well done. Do you like it, Paris?
Yes.
You having
Yes.
fun?
Are you happy? Is Paris happy? Is Paris happy?
Yes.
Paris, are you happy? Yes.
Paris, look, the big white one's flying. See?
What is that, Nak?
Is that an eagle flying?
Is that eagle or pelican? Wow. Finish na, anak?
No.
Paris, show daddy how you're fighting.
Careful, Baba. Nothing left now.
Like
Ihurot
this.
na ni Paris.
Like this, ready?
Daddy,
Paris.
do you think there's a piranha in there? No?
Yummy. No more.
Oh, grabe kay ka. Itom.
Don't go any closer, Bobby. Come here. Give this to daddy. It's finished
Honey,
now.
honey, careful, honey, kasi mataga ka nak na. Yan, palubog na yung araw, guys. It's now, nearly 7 o'clock. Paris, Nicole? Oy, there's a shark in there, oy. Paris, Nicole, there's a shark in there. There's a shark if you want.
Don't go
If you
too
go near
close
the water.
to the water, okay? If you go too close and you fall in, then you're gonna be very sick and you're gonna have to go to the doctor. You stand here. Just stand here, okay? Daddy like that.
Sobrang sarap lang sa feeling, guys, na makalabas ulit. Alam mo yung feeling na yun? Parang nakulong ka for so long. Lockdown kami dito for how many months. And yung pwede naming puntahan is within 5 kilometers lang. So yun, yung parang parang grocery shop, bahay,
Careful, the touch is
childcare ni Paris, bahay, ganun. Pero yeah, first time naming nakalabas ulit after a long time. Kaya super excited ang ating baby girl. Nak na? Nothing left? Finished? Finito? Yeah. Enjoy niya, guys. Buti na lang may daylight savings. So kahit late na siya, meron pa ring araw. Hindi pa rin siya totally dark ba? Is Paris happy? Is Paris happy? Woohoo! There's one. Nak, how do you call them, Nak? Wait, what's that? Huh? What's that? It's turkey. It's turkey.
Good girl, sit down.
Church, nag-sit down, marag bangko. Pita man na yung gilingkuran, Nak. Yay. Baby, happy. Happy among baby.
Funny. So funny.
So funny, natakot si Paris, guys, kasi nag-away ang dalawa. Were you scared, Nak? Huh? Were you
Calm down.
scared?
Sit down.
Say hi, turkey.
Sit down.
Sit down. Tiloko na to ang kahayag.
Mami.
Anak, kuy, aglamo-lamo ka gyud ha, paduol gyud ka sa tubig, Nak.
It's to eat the. It's time to go home, Mama.
Oh,
Okay.
is it time to go home? Okay.
Bye-bye, ducks. Bye-bye, turkey, mate.
Ah, this is great. Siya na yung nagsabi na it's time to go home.
She walked within better.
Where's the plastic, Bob?
My bad.
Ah.
Okay.
Wow, well done, Paris. Maglalakad kaya siya, guys?
Go in there.
Where?
Now we're gonna have a look at this one.
That way, Nanak. We'll
There's
go
more.
that way.
There's
There's
more.
different ducks that way. This way. Do you wanna go have a look more? More ducks?
Okay.
Okay, go walk with Daddy.
Okay, come in.
Ano ka, mag-swim daw siya, guys.
Go swim.
Sabi niya, gusto niyang pumunta doon. Sabi ko, wala mang daan. Alam mo, swim ka na siya. Sabi ko, walang daan. Kailangan lumangoy. Sabi niya, I will do it, Mami. Mag-swim daw siya. Lord, gusto niyang pumunta doon, oh, sa may mga puting birds. Where, Nak?
Where are you gonna swim?
They closed it. Oh no. Maybe next time.
No,
Huh?
I don't want it. It's open.
It's not open. It's not open, Nak. It's closed. See? There's orange. It's closed.
No, I want to open.
You wanna open it?
Close that.
No, it's open.
It's closed. See? Can you see it?
It's open. It's open. We're done swimming.
Huh?
We're done swimming.
Do you wanna go swimming? Nag-go in the water.
Come catch water.
Mm.
Come in. Come in, Daddy.
Gusto niyang lumangoy. It's getting closer. Here. What's that noise?
It's in there.
There's probably lots of them, Bob.
Okay.
May na parang kukak-kukak na, no? Can you hear it, guys?
Okay, tap.
Huh? What was that? Careful, di anak.
Big frog.
Huh?
Big.
Kaawit siya yung papa. What was that, nak? Was that a frog? Paris?
Come in.
Where are you going?
Come in, Daddy. This way, Daddy.
This way?
Listen.
Here we go.
Look over here, Baba.
It's very grass.
Again, daddy.
Sorry, you go play.
It's very grass.
You go play the grass.
By
Go.
the grass. Ala, ayaw niya magpababa, guys. Ba, sabi ni Daddy Mike, I'm tired. Kaya magpababa ka, sabi ni Paris, I'm tired too. Paris, ikaw. Sobrang ganda talaga dito, guys. Maraming tao na yung lumalabas kasi na-stuck. Na-stuck sila sa loob ng bahay for so long. Daddy, catch Paris, Daddy, this time. Run, Paris. Patabang mo, ay. Go, go. Catch Daddy. Catch Daddy. Daddy, just pretend so we can go home.
Come, Daddy.
Oh! Is Daddy okay?
Come on. Be careful. Oh!
Run, Daddy.
Okay.
You catch Daddy. Go, Daddy, just pretend that you're around. Catch Daddy, quick! This way. Come on. Come on. No. Go.
Can I take your mask off?
Mask off.
Hey, Wim.
Hadlock. Alin na? This way.
Not this way.
No, this way. We'll go see if there's more duck in there.
Come.
This is like it.
Yeah, that's right. We'll go and have a look, okay? Woohoo!
Big doggies.
Bili muna tayo ng dinner, guys, kasi hindi na kami magluluto ni Daddy Mike. Take away, available only. Ayan yung ating options. Daddy wants chili, beef, and rice. Bili muna ako, guys. Kauwi na kami, guys. Ayan, ang ating combination fried rice. Ayan.
Where's the hat?
Yeah, hands. And this is for Daddy's chili beef on rice. Yan. Then we've got some spring rolls here. So, kain muna kami, guys, kasi so hungry na. Bon appetit! It's now 10 o'clock ng gabi, guys. And nandito tayo ngayon sa kabilang kwarto kasi ang ating baby girl ay nakatulog na. I just want to thank you guys sa panonood ng ating video today. Sana na-enjoy nyo. And ngayon ay magsha-shoutout lang tayo. And the first shoutout goes to Waverly VIC. Also shout out daw sa place nila, Estancia, Iloilo City. Hello sa inyong lahat dyan. Shout out to Lisan Bansil from Lubao, Pampanga. Waverly VIC Valcorza, Clarice Torres, Rinar May Ricahuerta, Chari Salazar, and also shout out daw to all sila nun in Negros Occidental. Shout out to Evert Suta 53 and also to her daughter Micaela Sueta, Inday Chen Chen, Madel Andaliasa, Ginia Dular, Arlene Di Torres, Riz Tamayo, Janzi Pinay, Australia. Shout out to Lynn Ahmad, Gina Sangila, Joanne Awano, Susana Webb. Shout out to Patricia Mondoyo, Riz Chano, Arin Panorel, Annabel Sarino, Maricar Castaneda, Margie Anthony Kulit, Mayet Ibura, Mad Brat, Jamie Moreno, Teresita Abaluyan, Rosana Hidalgo, Zeni R. Di Macali, Mami Rose Sabalye, Cherry Ramos and family, Mercedita Oypala, and Nora Tabuyo. That's about it for today's video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and also make sure to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family, and we hope to see you all guys in the next one.